Are you listing your home this spring? As a seller, you'll be making many important decisions, including how much home access to give your potential buyers. Hey, I'm Alex Mendel with the Mendel Group and Keller Williams Realty. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of the listing process is allowing buyers to see your property. As a general rule, you should give potential buyers enough access to your house to allow them to make an informed decision on the purchase. Of course, as a seller, you'll want as much balance between providing access and protecting your privacy and security. The best practice is to schedule open houses or private showings with your real estate agent who can vet potential buyers to make sure they're serious about purchasing, and not just looky-loos. Other ways of access include putting a lockbox on the door for licensed real estate agents to come through with their buyers, by appointment only, or limited access, meaning only on certain days and times. Ultimately, the level of access you want to provide buyers is a personal decision. It will depend on your individual circumstances and preference, but if you want to maximize the sale of your house, you can't limit potential buyers' access. If your home isn't accessible, it could cost you by sitting on the market longer. It's always best to discuss with your real estate agent your concerns so they can map out a strategy that works best for you. Contact my team and I today so we can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money from your home investment. I'm Alex Mendel with the Mendel Group and Keller Williams Realty, and remember, we are the key to your next home.